Welcome to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to hide photos on Redmi 15A quickly and easily. If you want to keep your personal images private, this guide will show you step by step how to hide photos directly in the gallery.